Okay, just reverse gone long 97.75. So that trade did not work out. Loss of 3¼ points. That's a shame. That was a nice little kind of setup to kind of go short, but it just did not want to break through here. So we kind of run out of time in terms of cyclical energy. We've got cyclical support kind of in due on the highest time frame. We could bust through the 99 level into more of this uptrend. So there's cyclical support. Okay, so that's coming on the highest time frame. So we got ourselves support there. We're breaking through resistance on the intermediate time frame, breaking through resistance on the lowest time frame. So we've triggered long strength and cyclical support in the highest time frame. So we go with the highest time frame trend and just see where this goes. Those little blue professional bars were stepping into buy 96. So I thought maybe they were kind of getting short after the exhaustion buy and rolling over. And maybe we've just not had enough blue professional bars at the high. So this high number is 99 even. So let's look, well, we're coming up to it pretty damn fast. So around 99.5, there'll be stops to run. So, yeah, just hold on. The short trade didn't work out, so let's see where the long trade goes. Okay, we just busted through 99 even, which was this previous little high. And so at 99.50 there'd be stops to run. We've got a whole bunch of blue professional bars kind of coming in. You can see here on the way up. But we're through resistance on these two time frames, the lowest and intermediate. So we've got to see, let's see the 500 kind of complete, go to pullback to end of trend. You can see there's the blue professional bar starting to come in here. And there we go, through those resistances. So 99.50, I usually kind of guess there's about a stop run, about a half point just above previous high. We're now at round number 3,300, really important number. So let's see where this goes. Stop run hasn't happened because you'll see that as like just an explosion. Maybe it sits at 3,300 or 3,301, something like that, where the stops are sitting. But still holding on, just we've got some time to run, support to resistance on the highest time frame. So let's just see where this takes us. That looks more like where they were just sitting there, where we just got that little jump up at 3,300 even. A whole bunch of blue professional bars kind of coming in, but these things have got to run their course. So because we're through there, I'm not just going to reverse and go the other way. See when this kind of starts to cross, where that gets kind of interesting. But these highs, all of a sudden we could be surprising a lot of people, and all of a sudden they're like, just got to jump on board. So my target's sitting just way out of the way. I'm in at 97.75, so around the 33.02s would be an initial profit target. But let's just see. All right, here we go. We're just putting in this little pullback to end of trend. So we had a little bit of weakness, but it ran into a Rambo pattern. My target's sitting at 375. We're at 175, 2.25 up there at those highs. No blue professional up bar here. We've got resistance come in now here, so and a little pullback to end of trend. So it's getting a little bit kind of just toppy in this move, but yeah, you can see that there. So that's that little end of trend, cyclical resistance, 275. We could easily just poke through for a little bit of a run, but blue professional up bars is really what I should put. We got flush pattern. We had exhaustion buy, bearish divergence flush. So it was a good read, but it wasn't an extreme. 175 was my 4-point target, so just kind of pushed it out a little bit just because we haven't seen those blue professional bars there. So let's just see if this next run we get some blue professional up bars. Alright, so we're having another push through. We're up at 33.225. And targets at 375. What I'm looking for is blue professional up bars on 1500. And if we get like an exhaustion little push there, that'll be good. But We're not quite getting out yet. We're running out of steam, but we haven't got that exhaustion, just little kind of parabolic stop runny type thing. So come on, we're close. Alright, first blue professional bar on 1500. We've got them going off on the MTF chart here, so am I being dumb at not just jumping out, but 3000 read. Come on, we could just easily just get a little. Usually they're kind of continuous blue professional bars, 2 or 3 of them, something like that as we go. Just a little bit exponential. Another blue professional bar here. Certainly don't think they're buying a dip. They're starting to get out. Come on. Just give me that last push. There's those blue professional bars there. Alright, having another go. We just hit 275. Come on, just give me that little final push up to 375. Order filled out at 375. Excellent for 6. And there we go. That's big blue professional bar up there. Got a whole bunch of signals going up my ear. Blue professional bars there. Excellent. Good. So kind of hit 4.5, I think. On that that was a little bit of a stop run there, so that was 6. So long 97.75 out at 375 for 6. Good makes up for the 3.25 point loss on the short trade, and I had a couple under my belt earlier on, so might be done for the day. But just let's see if we get some kind of weakness after the 11 AM window shuts.